The value of confidence in romantic relationships. Whether they are the product of betrayal in a previous romantic engagement or not, our trust issues most often cause our romantic relationships to suffer. Why? Honesty and transparency are the cornerstones of intimate partnerships. The relationship is held together by the trust that the partners have in one another. This trust creates a strong emotional bond that is based in adoration, love, and loyalty. Infidelity is a frequent contributor to trust problems. When one of the partners in a relationship cheats, the dishonesty and breach of trust may have a greater negative impact than the affair itself. The partner has another area of their life that they've kept hidden, and lying undermines faith in the other person. A person will feel extra vulnerable to betrayal and deception by someone they loved if they did not learn to trust as a child. Is the inability to trust a mental illness? It is not a mental disease to have a single issue with trust. However, it may be a sign of a true mental health issue. Especially if diseases of anxiety, particularly PTSD, BPD, or borderline personality disorder, disorder of the paranoid personality, PPD, I or II bipolar disorder. Due to the way certain cognitive distortions, irrational beliefs, or mood fluctuations may unreasonably influence a person's sense of reality and interpersonal interactions, these circumstances may cause trust challenges in partnerships. However, it can be especially harmful when a loved one betrays a person who has a mental health condition that makes them have trust concerns. Even if they want to connect emotionally and socially with others, this could confirm their unfavorable prejudice and make it more difficult. What do you call someone who has trust issues? The dread of putting one's trust in others or establishing close ties with them is known as pistanthrophobia. Pistanthrophobia, like other phobias, produces considerable mental and emotional suffering and typically lowers the sufferer's quality of life in a major way, despite not being a recognized mental health condition in the DSM-5. Are trust problems a warning sign? Trust issues might be a sign that someone has gone through a lot of trauma, but that doesn't mean they aren't processing what happened to them. Trust issues in a relationship can be challenging for both partners to resolve, but with the right amount of encouragement and open lines of communication, people with trust issues can have happy, fulfilling relationships with partners that aren't influenced by their past. What should you do in a relationship if you lack trust? People who are experiencing persistent challenges with trust in relationships can benefit from dialectal behavior therapy, DBT, which is a successful treatment approach. Finding a mental health professional with whom you can connect and receive DBT is the first step to take if you're wondering how to mend trust issues. Couples or marriage counseling can also be advantageous to partners since it teaches them new approaches to understanding one another, communicating, and resolving disagreements and disputes. But even before starting therapy or another type of mental health care, there are more modest, private ways that a person with interpersonal trust concerns might start to heal. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.